Good morning, everyone. I am Vishnu Jagtap, and in front of all of you, I am presenting Economist Time newspaper headline. So, first of all, infra push depoliticized PM. Next, is module send funds from Maldives onward to Shairia. Next, 2004 Chittagong arm meant for ULFA NE Ultras. Next, AICC meet to stress Congress pivotal role in opposition alliance. Next, women's cricket big opportunity for sport. LR dies. Next, China India may not save world from hard landing. Robini. Next, Sarandas charts out Netflix plan for India market. Next, BRICS clicks and miles. Key minister lay out goals vision. Next, India a powerhouse of tech and talent, says global CEOs. On page number 2, in pure politics section under that, IS module received funds from Maldives. Next, AICC session to assert Congress pivotal role in anti-BJP opposition alliance. Next, 2004 Chittagong arms meant for ULFA NE ultras. Next, solution to Naga political issue main election plank. Next, Rijuju Supreme Court Judge Cole point to significance of artificial intelligence in attribution. Next, Gujarat filed 14,522 POXO cases in 2014-21, conviction in only 231. Next, CBI to issue fresh summon to Shishodia. Next, role in terrorist attack in Afghanistan. Next, 2004 Chittagong arms meant for ULFA NE Ultras. Next, then I comes to page number 3 in that politics section. Rawat says EC order does not inspire confidence. Next, UAE India Business Council launched. Next, Thackeray compromised believes to be CM Shah. Next, would not get involved in row over Sena name and symbol issue. Next, Trinamool holds protest at Union Minister House. BJP plans retaliatory stare. Next, country has become weak under PM Modi. Uddhav. Next, BJP using Jammu and Kashmir has a lab. Don't get mislead, Mehbooba tells people. Next, Kerala Congress mulls legal action against detention of workers. Then I comes to page number 4 in companies section under that SMO should be senior person handling FPI. Next, may maa baap attitude of previous regime. Next, Samvardhana, mother son, signs pact to buy German cause for European 540 million. Next, Gale takes a leaf out of Reliance Ethane playbook. Next, Hero Moto may expand e-bike range. Next, India US look to make fresh effort for cooperation in civil nuclear energy. Next, on page number 5 in brands and companies section under that, IndusInd Bank invests rupees 140 crore in Chandigarh reality projects. Next, squeeze on subsidiary flow chokes electric two-wheeler makers. Next, consumer electronic cause stock up in the hope of better demand next quarter. Next, cable TV operators say blackout by big broadcaster impact 45 million homes. Next, REIT invite seek review of tax on income distribution. On page number 7 in companies and economy section under that, soaps green nude for pumped storage hydro projects. Next, India may clock 6% growth in 23-24. Rajiv Kumar. Next, government likely to auction 6 mineral blocks this month. Next, Fortune Park Hotel plans to add 15 properties. Next, 150 satellites made by kids launched in Tamil Nadu. Next, Max Estates and Namo Real Tech impact for housing projects. Next, G20 finance chief central bankers to meet on Feb 24. Next, Air India Vistara kick off integration process. Next, Air India's fleet expansion on expansion a necessity, says former chief. Next, Austria RHI Magnesita lines up 3,600 crore to expand capacity. Next, Saffola rupees 2,000 crore plus brand worst of inflation over Marico chief. On page number 8 in economics time market section under that Nifty could be further selling this week. Next, retail equity share continues to fall, hits 34-month low. Next, FPI's up bearish bets amid Fed rate called out. Next, on page number 9 in smart investing section under that big market correction unlikely in short term, returns may not be much either. Next, US Fed tightening to impact of India for 12 quarters, RBI paper. Next, Reliance NTPC, Torrent and Vantage seen leading race for SKS Power. Next, retail participation in equity falls to 34-month low. Next, Bank of Maharashtra tubes PSB in quarter 3 loan growth. Next, Ashore Power India 6 more time to file audited results. Next, on page number 10, in company section under that, GM6 codes help to break log jam with union. On page number 11, in GBS Global Business Summit section under that, earlier India was among fragile 5, now it's treated as anti-fragile. Next, on page number 12, in GBS section under that, bricks, clicks and miles. Next, India to become one of the largest manufacturing base for the world. Next, a fertile ground for profitable investments. Next, special FD rates will empower women. Same on page number 13, Netflix viewing engagement in India grew by 30% last year. Next, India can provide labor force and secure manufacturing to the world. Next, need nature neutral interest rates and that either drive nor slow down economy. Next, what three words look to grow on ground Viva more tie-ups. Next, LBS may look for local presence through partnership. Next, on page number 14 in that GBS section, startups must not see growth and profitability as trade-off. Next, rapid growth by China and India may not be enough to support global economy. Next, energy conversion transition tech key to meeting green goals. Next, digital assets are becoming mainstream financial products. Next, India perfectly suited to join Europe's green hydrogen supply chain. On page number 15, in that India powerhouse of tech and talent. Next, there is every reason for India to be confident. Next, nothing phone maker pie to keep offering premium experience. Next, India can drive positive change to control tobacco use. On page number 16 GBS section under that women's cricket an opportunity of to popularize the sport globally. Next, Sky Drive takes aim at the drone logistic market. Next, we need to be able to work together to live together in space. Next, low cost internet, smartphone help e-sport to bloom in India. Next, cities to compete for young talent. Hick in Botham. Next, explosion in info, connectivity driving organizational change. On page number 17, editorial page section under that, reimagine freely for anti-fragile India. Next, join the dots, make the connection. Next, no snow, no go, we ski, D, you not. Next, maximizing Lakshmi. Next, think clearly, it's easy. Next, a shield retail investor needs. Next, 20 hare for the cheetahs. Next, mortal creator, immoral creation. Next, after 5G rollout, get part 2 going. Next, firming up financial sector reforms. On page number 18 in disruption section under that, IT logs, big rise in consolidation deals from firm. Next, funding crunch healthy for startups as it will bring profitable to the fore. Next, Google Meet has 360-degree background. Next, Win 11 widget for Spotify FB Messenger. Next, hacker stolen source code install malware GoDaddy. Next, office leasing to set up GCC may pick up in medium term. Next, PlayStation VR2 is a win for gamers, not metaverse piece. Then I comes to page number 19, economic time financial section under that. How to cope after you have been shown the door. Next, sweep and weep. Next, what can I do about hypertension? Next, chatty FTX founder ignoring legal strategy. Next, Swiss museum says two 17th masterpieces missing after fire. Next, billionaire's ex-wife withdraws suit over post-nuptial agreement. Next, Arsenal back on top as Man City stumble. Next, Saurashtra beat Bengal by 9 wickets, lift second title. Then I comes to page number 20 in that economic section. FPI is shy of naming senior officers of parent entities. Next, Nifty witness may continue this week. Next, retail play in equity continues to fall, hit 34-month low. Next, Air India and Vistara kick off their integration process. Next, US Fed tightening to impact India for 12 quarters, RBI paper. On page number 21, in that Blinken warns China of fallout if it aids Russia. Next, glittering return. Next, China to tweak risk and capital norms for commercial banks. Next, rescue efforts wind down in quake hit Turkey. Next, ChatGPT sparks AI gold rush. Next, man, you bidding hits up on Ratcliffe Elliott entry. That much for today. Thanks for watching. Make a good day.